Hello friends, welcome back to QGIS Basics. In this video we will learn how to calculate longitude and latitude value in a column of a layer. Suppose we have a point layer and we want to update latitude value and longitude value as it is inserted or placed or it is edited. If you edit something, then automatically its value will be changed. So how to do that? Let's get start. For this we will use our trigger function. First we need to create column for longitude and latitude. So first we have to create a latitude column in a field in a layer, places, run it, it will execute. I'll show you by zooming this. Alter table, places, add column, latitude. Now I'll add longitude, run it, it's run successful. If you expand the columns, you will see latitude and longitude columns appears here. Now how to update these values inside these columns? We have to create a trigger function. So this is our trigger function. I'll explain it. Create or replace function, lat long function, return trigger, begin. This is our main statement. New dot longitude st underscore x. Here x is our longitude. St transform new dot geom 4326. As it is, if our data is in any projected system, then we have to use this st transform new dot geom 4326, because longitudes and latitudes are calculated in geographic projection, that is 4326. So we have to transform them. For latitude, new dot latitude equal to st underscore y, st transform new dot geom 4326 and return new. So this will return us our longitude and latitude value. Let's run it. Function created. Now we will apply this function on places. So create a trigger for places, run it, it will run successful. I am going to add this places layer. I had added this place layer. Go to edit mode. I'm just deleting this, is too far. I'm just deleting this one. Now I'm going to change the value of this point. Suppose population is 1 lakh. I'm just changing it to 2 lakh. Okay, I'll save. If I take the information of this, now you'll see the latitude value and longitude value. If I place a new point, then it will also give us the latitude and longitude value. If I place the point, save it, and take the information of this layer, you will see here these are the latitude value and longitude value, as you can see here. So this is how you can calculate the latitude and longitude values of a point layer while updating using trigger. Thank you for watching.